Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series. During last few parts, students, we have discussed, we have studied the paper 15th, fish economics, fish marketing, fish cooperatives and extension. In this paper 15, we have completed first unit, that is fishery economics. Now today we have started the second unit, which is most important for examination point of view. From this unit, again 2 to 3 questions these are to be asked compulsorily. It is the important unit for study point as well as for the examination point, and that unit is the fish marketing. In fish marketing, which are the different types of markets, then market facilities, market problems, marketing strategies, then which are the marketing conditions. All these points, all these ideas we have studied, we have seen from this part, that is fish marketing. And in this fish marketing, first we have seen that is the definitions of fish marketing. What is meant by the fish marketing, or what is the definitions of fish marketing, we have studied, we have seen in this part, that is unit second. And in this unit second, we have seen the first definitions of fish marketing. Fish marketing, first we have seen the introduction, what is meant by the fish marketing, and then we have seen the different points or different definition. The term fish marketing was used to denote simply buying and selling of fish at a landing center. What is the fish marketing? The term fish marketing was used to denote simply buying and selling, खरेदी आणि विक्री. बाईंग म्हणजे खरेदी करणे, सेलिंग म्हणजे विक्री करणे. Buying and selling of fish at a landing center, it is called as the fish marketing. Fish marketing includes all the economic activities. Fish marketing includes all the economic activities like pooling of surplus catches from individual producers, handling, initial processing, grading, storing, packaging, transport and sale of fish and non-fish animals, called as a fish marketing. What is meant by fish marketing? Fish marketing includes all economic activities. Which are the economic activities? Like pooling of surplus catches from individual producers. Pooling of surplus catches, these are to be captured, fishes these are to be captured as compared to required supply of fish. More fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured. That more fishes these are to be caught, captured, these are called as surplus catches. Surplus catch requirement 50 kg ची आहे, पण फिश आपल्याला सापडले 200 kg. Remaining 150 kg is the surplus catch. This is called as surplus catch from the individual producers. Then handling these fishes. Then initial processing, first those are the decomposed, separate. Those are small, separate. Those are larger, separate. Those are the quality wise, these are to be separate. That is initial processing. Then grading, grade small sized fish separate, large sized fish separate, medium sized fish separate. Then storing, store these fishes in ice storage, in chilled storing or in deep freezing. Then packaging, after storing these are to be packaged. into simple packaging, into airtight packaging, and then these are to be transported to local market, these are to be transferred to the international market, or these are to be transferred to the metropolitan cities. And after these transportation, these fishes or non-fish animals sell in that market, in that place, that is called as the fish marketing. Fish marketing. The concept of market is very important in marketing. The concept here, the concept, not concrete, concept of fish marketing is very important in marketing. Market is a area for potential exchange. Market is a area for potential exchange. Thus market is a group of buyers. Market is a group of buyers and sellers. खरेदी करणाऱ्याचा एक ग्रुप आणि विक्री करणाऱ्याचा एक ग्रुप. खरेदी करणे आणि विक्री करणे, बायर्स अँड सेलर्स इंटरेस्टेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ परचेस ऑफ सेल और गुड्स. Sellers interested in terms of purchase or sale of a goods. Market is a place where buyers and sellers meet together to effect the transactions. That place, that area is called as the fish marketing. Marketing is considered to be the weakest link in fish production and distribution. It is the most interesting and most important characteristics. What is the important introduction characteristic? That is, market is considered to be the weakest link in fish production and distribution. Not only the fish production and distribution, but in any market. That may be cloth market, that may be food grain market, that may be vegetable market. In any market, market is considered to be the weakest link in fish production and distribution, because in market there is a not fixed point, not fixed cost, not fixed supply. These are to be uncertainty. These are to be found in market. Within short period price, these are to be fall down. Within short period price, these are to be hiking, because completely it is to be depend upon the buyers and sellers, and that's why it is the very weakest link in fish production and distribution. That's why it is most interesting concept, or the most interesting facts which is to be found in market. The concept, the concrete and functions of fish marketing. The concept and functions of fish marketing have been assuming a newer role of business activity. It is to be the concept and functions of fish marketing is to be assuming a newer role in the newer business activities. Yeah? The concept and functions of fish marketing have been assuming a newer role in business activities. The concept and functions of fish marketing have been assuming a newer role in business activities. Now the term marketing is given a wider significance and meaning. Now the term marketing is given a wider significance and meaning. Nowadays, fish marketing system is changing. Nowadays, a fish marketing system is changing from the traditional fish marketing to the modernized fish marketing. Means in ancient times, this fish marketing system, these are to be traditional. There is no modern techniques and tools. It is to be again depending on completely for the old practice, old activity. But today, this marketing system, these are to be changed. It is to be from traditional to modern conditions. Yes. Nowadays, fish marketing system is changing from the traditional fish marketing to the modern fish marketing. The modern trend is to sell chilled fish along with other processed fish product. The modern trend is to sell chilled fish, that is freezed fish, along with other processed fish product. And these modern activities, these are to be important, these are to be most significant factors, significant activities which is to be found in fish marketing. Then all these are the first introduction. Then definitions of fish marketing. Which are the definition which is to be we have studied. Fish marketing may be defined as, fish marketing may be defined as all those functions involved from the point of catching of fish. All those functions involved from the point of catching of fish on the vessel to the point of final consumption, called as fish marketing. What is meant by fish marketing? Fish marketing is to be defined as all those functions involved from point of catching of fish on the vessel to the point of final consumption, called as fish marketing. Or another definition, fish marketing is defined as all economic activities involved in the movement of fish from producer to final consumer. Fish marketing is defined as all economic activities involved in the movement of fish from producer to the final consumer, called as fish marketing. In short, it is also called as catch to consumer. In short, fish marketing is nothing but in a brief, fish marketing is nothing but it is to be catch to consumer activity. It is called as fish marketing. Marketing is the art and science of creating, delighting and keeping customers. A most interesting definition which is to be put forth here. The marketing is the art and scientific manner. These are to be creating, delighting and keeping customers. It is called as the marketing. Marketing is defined as value exchange. Is a two-way exchange of value. Between a marketer and a consumer, by providing right product to the right target in the right state of need. It is called as marketing. Here the word is to be repeatedly coming, and that word is the right. What is the marketing, or what is the definition of marketing? Marketing is defined as value exchange, in two-way exchange of value between a marketer and a consumer, by providing right product to right target in a right state, of need. It is called as the market. Or marketing is the process by which a firm profitably translates customer needs into revenue, called as marketing. Marketing is the process by which a firm profitably translates customer needs into revenue, called as the marketing. Yes, means these are the few definitions. Marketing is the art and science of creating, delighting and keeping customer. Marketing is defined as value exchange in two-way exchange, that is in between marketer and consumer, by providing right product to right target in right state of need, called as marketing. Are all economic activities involved in movement of fish farm from producer to the final consumer. In short, that is catch to consumer, that is called as the market. Or simple, all those functions involved from the point of catching of fish on the fish farm on the pond's lake up to the point of final consumption. It is called as fish marketing. Or simply, the marketing is the process by which a farm profitably translates consumers or customers' needs into revenue, called as the marketing. Marketing is defined as the total activities involved. Marketing is defined as total activities involved in the transfer of goods from the producer to the consumer, from the producer to consumer, including advertising, shipping, storing, selling, all these facts, all these points which is to be included, and it is called as the marketing. Marketing is defined as the total activities involved. Which are the total activities involved? In the transfer of goods from producer to consumer. प्रोड्युसर पासून कंझ्युमरपर्यंत जी जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी तयार केली किंवा रन केली जाते, जी जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी दिसते किंवा जी जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी होते कुठून, प्रोड्युसरपासून कंझ्युमरपर्यंत, त्या सगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीला काय म्हटलं जातं? मार्केट. कुठली कुठली ॲक्टिव्हिटी केली जाते? फ्रॉम प्रोड्युसर टू कंझ्युमर्स, इन्क्लुडिंग ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग, इन्क्लुडिंग शिपिंग. शिपिंग म्हणजे एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी वाहून नेणे, एका जहाजीतून दुसऱ्या जहाजीत वाहून नेणे. स्टोरिंग, त्याचं स्टोअर करणे, त्याचा साठा करणे, अँड सेलिंग. All these factor, all these point, these are to be included. It is called as the marketing. Marketing is the process of exchanging wants, satisfying goods and services. Marketing is the process of exchanging wants, satisfying goods and services, and determination of their value in terms of money is called as marketing. Determination of money in terms of marketing is called as marketing. Marketing is the process of exchanging wants, satisfying goods and services, and determination of their value in terms of money is called as marketing. In simple, the definition of fish marketing is given as the selling and buying of fish constitute the fish marketing. In simple, साध्या भाषेत सांगायचं म्हणजे काय? मार्केटिंग इज द सेलिंग अँड बाईंग ऑफ फिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द फिश मार्केटिंग. मार्केटिंग इज द बिझनेस ॲक्टिव्हिटी involved in the transfer of a product. Marketing is a business activity involved in the transfer of a product to a consumer called as marketing. Marketing is a business activity involved in the transfer of a product to a consumer called as marketing. Marketing is the process of the distribution. Marketing is the process of the distribution of wants satisfying product from producer to consumer called as the fish marketing. In general, marketing can be defined as a total system of interacting business activity designed to plan, price, promote and distribute. Plan, price, promote and distribute want satisfying product and services to the present potential customer is called as the marketing. In general, definition of marketing is what is meant by marketing. In general, marketing can be defined as a total system of interacting business activities designed. Which are the business activities? That business activities are designed to plan, price, promote and distribute want satisfying products and services to the present potential consumers or customer is called as the marketing. And all these definitions, these are to be put forth. These definitions, these are to be seen. All these definitions, these are to be saying that is the marketing is the process. Marketing is the way from producer to consumer. The goods or the product, these are to be sell. The product, these are to be buying and selling in a place where all facilities, these are to be provided. All facilities, these are to be occur in that area, in that place where all buyers, where all producer, they can enter freely and they can sell their product, or those consumers, they can buy the product. That area is called as the fish marketing, or that area is called as marketing. Up to here we have seen that the definitions of fish marketing. In next part we have seen the next article. Hope you have understood the definitions of fish marketing. Thank you all of you.